Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Today, I'm here to share with you the secret to consistent focus in self-driving car development. One key to maintaining focus in self-driving car development is setting clear goals and priorities. By establishing a roadmap for each project and outlining specific milestones, developers can stay on track and work efficiently towards their end goal. Another essential element is regular communication and collaboration among team members. By fostering a culture of open communication and encouraging feedback, developers can ensure that everyone is aligned on the project's objectives and can easily address any roadblocks that may arise. By implementing these strategies, developers can maintain consistent focus and drive success in self-driving car development. Remember, it's all about setting clear goals, fostering communication, and working together towards a common vision. Uplifting ending sentence. So, keep your eyes on the road ahead and stay focused on your journey towards innovation. Happy coding! Hey there, smart home enthusiasts! Are you looking to take your home automation game to the next level? Well, you're in luck because today I'm going to share with you 5 ways to upgrade your smart home routine. First up, consider investing in a smart home hub to control all of your devices from one central location. This will make managing your smart home a breeze and streamline your daily routines. Next, why not add some smart plugs to your home? These nifty devices allow you to control your electronics remotely, saving both energy and money in the long run. To really enhance your smart home experience, don't forget to incorporate some smart lighting. Set the mood for any occasion with custom lighting scenes that can be controlled with just a tap on your phone. And finally, consider adding a smart security system to your home for peace of mind and added convenience. Keep an eye on your property from anywhere in the world and receive alerts in case of any unusual activity. Upgrade your smart home routine today and transform your living space into a truly connected and efficient environment. Happy smart home living! Make your home smarter, one device at a time. See you next time.